This solution for injection contains a natural substance called glucagon, which works to raise blood sugar levels by releasing stored sugar from the liver. It is used to treat severe low blood sugar that may require assistance from others. It can also be used before certain X-ray procedures to slow down stomach and intestinal movement, making the X-ray clearer. Make sure a family member or caregiver knows how to use this medication and where it is kept. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. When you get the Glucagon emergency kit, make sure to read the patient information leaflet and instructions for use provided by your pharmacist. Keep this medication handy in case it is needed and check for particles or discoloration before using it. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Caregivers should be aware of the symptoms of low blood sugar and know how to give glucagon if needed. It's important to treat very low blood sugar right away to prevent serious effects like brain damage. The dosage of this medication is based on your age, and for children, it is also based on their weight. After giving this medication, seek medical help immediately. If the person is unconscious, turn them on their side to prevent choking in case they vomit. If the person does not wake up after 15 minutes, another dose may be given, if available. When the person wakes up and is able to swallow, give them a quick sugar source. Glucagon only works for a short time, and low blood sugar may return. Keep the blood sugar level up by eating snacks such as crackers, cheese, a meat sandwich, or milk. If an episode of very low blood sugar has happened, call your doctor right away. You may need more medical treatment, or your insulin dose and diet may need to be adjusted. Some common side effects of using the Glucagon emergency kit, Human-Recomb, 1 megagram solution for injection may include nausea, vomiting, headache, irritation, redness, or swelling at the injection site. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist immediately. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you experience a fast or pounding heartbeat or any other serious side effects, contact your doctor immediately. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using the Glucagon emergency kit, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist of any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to also inform them of your medical history, especially if you have a tumor of the pancreas, adrenal gland problems, poor eating habits, or frequent low blood sugar. Low blood sugar is more likely if you don't consume enough calories or do heavy exercise. Symptoms include sweating, shaking, fast heartbeat, hunger, blurred vision, dizziness, or tingling hands/feet. It's a good idea to carry glucose tablets or gel to treat low blood sugar. If you don't have these, you can raise your blood sugar by eating a quick source of sugar or drinking fruit juice or soda. Make sure to inform your doctor about any reactions you have and the use of this product. If you're pregnant, inform your doctor before using this medication. It's unclear if this drug passes into breast milk, but it's unlikely to harm a nursing infant. Be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking the Glucagon emergency kit, Human-Recomb, 1 megagram solution for injection, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Remember to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will ensure that you are taking the medication safely and effectively. If someone has overdosed and has serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, call 911. Otherwise, call a poison control center right away. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to attend a diabetes education program to learn how to manage your diabetes with medications, diet, exercise, and regular medical exams. Make sure to learn the symptoms of high and low blood sugar and how to treat low blood sugar, and check your blood sugar regularly as directed. And remember, do not share this product with others. Glucagon Emergency Kit, Human-Recomb, 1 megagram solution for injection is used to treat severe hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, in people with diabetes who are unconscious or unable to eat or drink. It works by increasing the level of sugar in the blood. This medication is injected into a muscle or under the skin as directed by your healthcare professional. It is important to follow the correct dosage and administration instructions provided with the kit. The optimal timing to use this medication is when a person with diabetes is experiencing severe hypoglycemia and is unable to eat or drink. It is important to always have this medication on hand if you or a loved one has diabetes and is at risk of severe hypoglycemia. When it comes to storing your Glucagon Emergency Kit, Human-Recomb, 1 megagram solution for injection, it's important to follow the specific instructions provided with the product. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. And when it comes to getting rid of this medication, it's important to do so properly. Don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. Instead, make sure to discard it when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're not sure how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.